So here's an update on Taserface the Frown King. Everything seems to be working, except for the fan, which, this here fan, the part cooling fan, is dead. As you can see, I rewired it and I plugged it. See the wires? No. There you go. See the wires? I plugged it direct into the power supply and nothing. Positive, negative, switch them around. Nothing. So that's toast. And I have yet to get the monitor to work. I've tried everything. And I shouldn't say I've tried everything. I tried everything I could think of quickly. But I've got a Pi and I can run it off the Pi. I actually have another Pi I'll be setting it up with in a bit. But for now I'm running it off my other Pi. Because I got a lot of Pis. Anyways, it does home Z now in the correct direction. As you can see. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Everything's heating up. Home's X and Y. I don't know if you can hear that, but oh my god, the bed is loud. Those bearings are terrible. I'm gonna have to replace those. I can see that already. It's heating up. Let's heat up the bed. See if the bed heats up. I have yet to play with the bed since I rewired everything. I have put everything back together. As you can see, the screen is non-existent, but I do have my massive 35mm add-on on the base, so I can use my bigger power supply with the bigger fan. It is much quieter. The fans are. Anyway. And it seems like the bed's heating up. The hot end's heating up. Everything's heating up. Hot end fan is working. The part cooling fan and the monitor are the only things that I can see left that need to be fixed. The part cooling fan, I actually ordered another one of those. I can't believe I did it, but because I got about 8,000 fans. But I actually kind of like that fan, even though it's not quiet. It's not that loud in any of those fans that put out enough air through that kind of thing. And then I don't have to redo the duct. It was like $4 or $5. So I just ordered one. And I don't have to rebuild the whole hot end yet. I am going to do some test prints now, but for now, the update on Taserface is everything seems to be working, but the fan and the part cooling fan and the screen. So there's that. Look, Glenn, it's printing. Holy crap, printing. And look at that extruder. No skipping. Thing is loud as hell, but that extruder is not skipping. It may look like a skip, but that was a retraction. No skipping. So the fan's dead, the part cooling fan, and I still haven't gotten the screen working, as my little update shows. But it does print.